Dear students, I am Mr Narendra Jangale from Gokhale Education Society's RM Bhatt High School, Parel. Dear students, today I am going to prepare a video on SSC Algebra's first chapter, Linear Equations in Two Variable. From that chapter, I am going to prepare the video on practice set 1.5. In this practice set, applications of linear equations in two variable means word problems, statement sums based on the linear equation in two variable are there. So without wasting a time, let's start our video. Dear students, let us see practice set 1.5 from algebra's first chapter. In this practice set 1.5, word problems are there or statement sums are there. That's are difficult for the students. Actually, these are not difficult, but students think these are difficult statement sums or word problems. Now let us see how to solve easily that statement sums. So here we are going to study that practice set 1.5. Let us study. Here the first sum from practice set 1.5 is taken. Two numbers differ by 3. So this is one of the statement. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. So read these conditions properly. So we have to read these conditions properly and then solve that equation. Here one problem is there. In exam, now while solving that practice set 1.5, you know this is the sum from exercise 1.5, means this is the sum from chapter 1. But in exam, whenever there is a statement sum, we have to decide whether this sum is from chapter 1 or chapter 2. So how to decide whether the sum is from chapter 1 or chapter 2? ये कैसे decide करना है? How to decide? Listen carefully. If sum of two numbers or difference of two numbers, sum of ages, difference of ages is given, the first condition or one of the condition, then it is always from first chapter. And whenever sum of the squares of two numbers or two numbers are given and the product of two numbers is so and so is one of the condition. In each statement sum, if we read carefully from chapter 1 or chapter 2, there are two conditions, two statements. So read that sum carefully and divide it into two parts. दो पार्ट में हम लोग को इसको डिवाइड करना है. First part is the first condition and the second part is the second condition. So using that first condition, we get one equation, and using that second condition, we get the second equation, and solve that two equations, we get our answer. So this is the method to solve that linear equations in two variables. Now is it clear how to decide whether it is from chapter 1 or chapter 2? If sum or difference of the numbers is given, yani out of this two condition, one condition is there, sum of the two numbers is so and so, difference of two numbers is so and so, then it is the sum from first chapter. And if this statement is there, sum of squares of the numbers, product of the two numbers is so and so, that is from second chapter, because in second chapter we have to solve using single variable, one variable, and in first chapter we have to solve the sums by using two variables. So that is the difference. Now let us start this first example. divide this sum into two parts. So this is the first part of that equation. Example, two numbers differ by 3, and this is the second part. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. So these are the two parts, and then find the numbers. So whenever we have to find the numbers, two numbers are there here, given two numbers. So whenever two numbers are there, one must be smaller, other must be greater. So let the greater number be x and smaller number be 1, y. So let one number be greater and other be smaller. So first we have to write, let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. So these are the two numbers. So these are the two numbers here. X is the greater number and y is the smaller number. Now read the first condition. So what is that first condition? Two numbers differ means difference. Difference means greater number minus smaller number is equal to 3. So difference between these two numbers is 3. That is the meaning of this one. So we get equation number 1 as the greater number x minus the smaller number y is equal to 3. So this is our equation number 1. So in this way we can easily form the equation. Now second one. Second thing here, the statement is the sum of twice and 2 times the smaller number. Which one is the smaller number? Y. Twice of that number is 2y. And thrice the greater number. 3 times the greater number. Which one is the greater number? X. So 3 times of that number, that means 3x. So 3x and 2y, their sum is 19. So first we have to write x. So second equation according to first condition, and here we have to write according to second condition. So this statement must be there, according to second condition, and here we have to write according to first condition. So here according to first कंडीशन. तो पहला कंडीशन हम लोग यहाँ पे यूज किया है, फर्स्ट वन, वी गेट दिस इक्वेशन, एंड नाउ यूज सेकंड कंडीशन, थ्राइस द ग्रेटर नंबर यानी 3x प्लस ट्वाइस द स्मॉलर नंबर यानी 2y, दिस सम इज इक्वल टू 19. So these are two equations. Now we have to solve these two equations by any method, algebraic method or substitution method or any method. So here now we are using substitution method. One more method is there, elimination and substitution. So let us see what is that substitution method. If we write this equation number 1, equation number 1 is x minus y is equal to 3. Now simplify this equation. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus this y. That means x is equal to y plus 3. So rearrange this third equation for that, this first equation. So we simplify this first equation and we get the value of x. X is equal to y plus 3. Now in substitution method, we have to substitute this value in equation 2 because we have simplified this equation 1. Now substitute in equation number 2. So substituting this method is called substitution method. Substituting x is equal to y plus 3 in equation 2. So what is equation 2? 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. Now substitute x is equal to y plus 3. So we get 3 into bracket. Instead of x, substitute y plus 3. And remaining equation as it is, plus 2y is equal to 19. Now solve that equation. Simplify. 3 multiplied by y, we get 3y plus 3 3s are 9 plus 2y is equal to 19. So 3 plus 2, 5y is equal to this 19, and this 9 becomes minus 9. Therefore, we get 5y is equal to 19 minus 9 is 10, and y is equal to 10 divided by 5 means y is equal to 2. So in this way, we get one of the number. Y is equal to 2. Now we have the equation number 3. This is the equation for x. Now substitute this value in equation number 3. Now substituting y is equal to 2 in equation 3. So equation 3, here it is equation 3, x is equal to y plus 3. So x is equal to y plus 3. Now substitute y. So x is equal to, instead of y we have to substitute 2 plus this 3. So x is equal to 5. So in this way we get both the values. Now whenever there is a statement sum, word problem, we have to write the answer in words. Therefore, the greater number is, which one is the greater? X, yani 5, and smaller number is value of y, that is 2. So the two numbers are 5 and 2. So in this way we can easily solve that statement sums. If you read that statement sum carefully, then you get the idea how to solve this equation. Now let us see more sums from this chapter. So students, here it is the third sum from practice set 1.5. First, read that sum carefully. Read that sum carefully. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. So this is the first condition. Statement 1, the first sentence is our first condition. So this is the first part of that sum, and this is the second part. So use this first part only first. Then we have to find what? Find their present ages. So present ages of father and son, that we have to find. But what is the given? The sum of father. Which one is older? Father. So let the father's age be x, and which one is younger? The smaller number be y. So here father is elder and son is younger. So the greater number, let it be x. So according to that condition, first we have to consider two variables. Let the present age of father be x years and present age of son be y years. So here the father's age is x and son's age is y. Now according to the first condition, sum of यानी addition of father's age. So according to, instead of writing the full condition, we can write only this statement: according to first condition. So according to first condition, we get the equation, first equation, sum of father's age, यानी father's age is x plus twice the age of his son, यानी 2 times the age. A son's age is y, twice of that means 2y. This sum is 70, is equal to 70. So this is our equation number 1. So in this way we get equation 1. Now second condition, according to second condition. Read that condition. According to second condition. So read carefully that condition. Here that condition is given in the sum. If we double the age of father, what is the age of father? X. If we double it, it becomes 2x. Kitna? 2x. If we double the age of father, that is 2x, and add it to the age of his son. Son's age is y. We have to add this double of father to son. This total is equal to 95. So according to second condition, we get the equation as 2x plus y is equal to, यानी twice the age of father, that is 2x. If we add this twice the age of father, double the age of father, and add it to the age of son, that is y, we get 95. So this is equation number 2. Now you can use any method to solve this equation. Either make the coefficient equal. Here if we multiply this equation by 2, then the coefficient of x becomes equal. So here multiply this equation by 2. This is elimination method. In previous example we used that substitution method. That substitution method is easier than this elimination method. So let us see, solve one sum by this elimination method. So multiply equation 1 by 2. So multiplying equation 1 by 2, we get here it is equation 1. Now multiply by 2. So we get 2x plus 2 to the 4y is equal to 70 to the 140. This is equation number 3. Now observe the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x are equal now. Second thing, observe their sign. Signs are also equal. Whenever the coefficient of variable are equal and their signs are also equal, we have to subtract one equation from other. So we have to subtract 2 from 3. Next step is subtract equation 2 from 3. So first write equation 3. Equation 3 क्या है? 2x. This is the equation 3. 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. And here it is equation 2. 2x plus y is equal to 95. Now while subtracting, we have to add the equations. Instead of subtracting, add and change the sign of second terms of second equation. So here 2x get eliminated 4y minus y, we get 3y is equal to 140 minus 95. So here 140 minus 95, we get 45. So y is equal to this 45 divided by 3. So y is equal to 15. So this is the age of sun, 15 years. Now to get the value of x, substitute this value of y in equation 1 because it is the easiest equation. Equation 1 dekho. This is the equation 1. X plus 2y is equal to 70. Now substitute this value of y in equation 1. Substituting y is equal to 15 in equation 1. So first write the equation 1. X plus 2y is equal to 70. This is equation 1. Now substitute y is equal to 15. X plus 2 into 15 is equal to 70. So we get x plus 15 to the 30 is equal to 70. Therefore x is equal to the 70 minus 30, x is equal to 40. Now here we get the value of x and y. But what is x? X is the father's age and y is son age. Now write the answer in the form of statement again. Therefore, father's present age is equal to 40 years and son's present age is equal to 15 years. So always write the answer in the form of statement. So I think that second sum is cleared. Now let us see more sums from this chapter. Now let us see fifth sum from practice set 1.5. What is that sum? The sum is lengthy. Two types of boxes A and B are to be placed or loaded in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. So we must know ton, 1 ton means 10,000 kilogram. So two types of boxes are there, A type and B type. We have to place that boxes in a truck having the capacity of 10 tons. When, so this is the first condition, when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, the total weight is 10 tons. So this is the first condition. We have to find the weight of each box, type A box and type B box. So first, let the weight of type A box is equal to, let it be x kg, and the weight of type B box, it is y kg. Now you know, if weight of one box, suppose weight of A box is 10 kg. If we take 50 box, then how will we calculate the total weight? 50 means number of boxes multiplied by weight of one box. So if the weight of one box is 10 kg and 50 boxes are there, then we get the number of boxes multiplied by the weight. So same condition here we have to use. So according to first condition. So what is the first condition? When 150 boxes of A type. So here remember one thing, 1 ton is equal to 10,000 kg. 1 ton is equal to 10,000 kg. Yani 10 quintals. 10 quintals is equal to 1 ton means 10,000 kg. So according to first condition, whenever 150 boxes of A are there, so their total weight is, the weight of one A box is x kg, so total 150 box means 150x kg, plus B boxes, 100 boxes are there, B type 100 boxes are there, therefore their total weight is 100 y, because B type box weight of one box is y kg, and this total weight is 10 ton according to the first condition. 10 ton means 10,000 kg. So here we get equation number 1. Here we can divide by 10. So here divide by 50 directly we get. So if we divide by 50 we get, so 50 3s are 150 yani 3x plus 50 2s are 100x, and here 50 2s are and 200. So this is our equation number 1. We convert this equation into this one. So this is our equation 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. Now use the second condition. According to second condition. So condition second, read properly. So here it is the second condition. When 260 boxes of type A, when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate यानी और उसमें 40 बॉक्स बैठ सकते हैं. So it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. So simple meaning of this is nothing but here 260 boxes of type A and 40 boxes of type B are placed, then the truck is fully loaded. So therefore their total weight is 10 ton. So according to this second condition, 260 boxes of type A means their weight is 260 x kg, plus 40 boxes of type B means 40 into y, because weight of one B box is y kg, is equal to again this 10,000, because the total capacity of that truck. Now again here divided by 20. Divide this equation and simplify. Divided by 20 we get. So if we divide this equation by 20, then we get 13 2s are 26, yani here we get 13x plus 20 2s are 2y is equal to 500. 25 is 100 and 2 zeros. So this is our second equation. Now if we observe equation number 1 and equation number 2, so these are the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here the coefficient of y variable are already same. Coefficient of y are already same. Now observe their sign. Signs are also same. Then what we have to do? Whenever signs are different, addition. Signs are same, subtraction. So subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. So write equation number 2 first. So what is equation number 2? This 13x plus this 2y is equal to 500. This is equation number 2 minus this equation number 1 is 3x plus this 2y is equal to 200. Now subtract means add and change the sign of second term. So here 2y and 2y get cancelled. 13 minus 3 we get 10x is equal to 500 minus 200 is 300, and therefore x is equal to 300 divided by 10. X is equal to 30. Now in this example we have to find the weight of each box. So weight of type A box we get x is equal to 30. So how to find second one? Substitute this value in any equation. So substitute in equation number 1. Now substituting x is equal to 30 in equation 1. Equation 1 is, here it is equation 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. Now substitute x. 3 into this value of x is 30 plus 2y is equal to 200. So 30 3s are 90 plus 2y is equal to 200. I am writing here now. So 2y is equal to 200 minus 90. So y is equal to 2y is equal to, here it is 200 minus 90 means 110. So y is equal to 55. So type A boxes, number of type A boxes is 30 and number of type B boxes, weight of type A boxes is 30 kg and type B boxes is 55 kg. So in this way we get the weight of each box. Is it clear, this sum? Now let us see one more sum. Now this is the star sum from exercise practice set 1.5. Let us see how to solve this sum. Out of 1900 kilometer, and total distance is 1900 kilometer, that is the condition. We shall traveled some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed of 60 km per hour. The average speed of bus is 60 km per hour and average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. The total time taken to complete this journey is 5 hours. So find the distance traveled by bus. So here we have to find the distance traveled by bus only, not by aeroplane. So let the distance traveled by bus be x kilometer and travel by aeroplane y kilometer. So that is the first point. Let the distance traveled by bus be x kilometer by bus, and distance traveled by aeroplane be y kilometer. But the total distance, so according to first condition, what is the first condition? The total distance traveled by Vishal, 1900 kilometer. So x kilometer plus y kilometer is equal to 1900 kilometers. So this is the first equation. X plus y is equal to 1900. This is equation number 1. Total distance traveled by bus plus aeroplane is equal to the total distance 1900. That is the first equation. Now second equation. Here what is given? The average speed of bus is 60 kilometer and average speed of aeroplane 1700 kilometer, and total time is 5 hours. So we know the formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So how can we calculate the time? Therefore, time equals distance divided by speed. So here in rough work, if we calculate the time taken, time by bus. So what is the average speed of bus? 60 km per hour. And the distance is x. So what is the time taken by bus? Time is equal to distance x divided by 60, that is hours. And by aeroplane, the time taken is distance y divided by 700, these are hours. So according to second condition, we have to use this condition here, use this formula here to write the second equation. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. So total time taken for this journey is equal to 5 hours. So the time taken by bus and plus the time taken by aeroplane is equal to 5 hours. Therefore, what is the time taken by bus? Use this formula. Distance covered by bus is x kilometer divided by average speed of bus plus the time taken by aeroplane, distance covered by this aeroplane divided by average speed of aeroplane, and is equal to 5 hours. So this is our second equation. Now how to simplify this second equation? Find the LCM of this 60 and 700. This LCM is 2100. This LCM is the smallest least common multiple, that is 2100. Now multiplied by 2100 to equation 2, both side of the equation 2. So equation 2 becomes, here if we multiplied by 2100, so 2100 divided by 60 we get 35x plus, here if we divided by 2100 divided by 700, so we get 3y is equal to, multiplied by 2100 multiplied by 5, so we get 10,500. So this is our equation 3. So here take care, while multiplying by 2100, this is the calculation. Now we get equation 3 and this is our equation 1. So if we multiply equation 1 by 3, why multiply? Either use substitution method or use this elimination method. So here it is equation number 1. Now we have to solve these two equation number 1 and equation number 3. ये दोनों solve करना है. Observe the coefficient of x. Here it is 1, here it is 35. Here it is 35. Coefficient of y, here it is 1, here it is 3. If we multiply this equation by 3, अगर हम लोग 3 से multiply करते हैं, then the coefficient of y becomes equal, because by elimination method we have to make the coefficient of any variable equal. So multiply equation 1 by 3 से multiply करना है. So this equation 1 becomes 3x plus 3y is equal to 19 3s. This 3x plus 3y is equal to 1900 multiplied by 3. We get 19 3s is 5700. This is equation number 4. So here we get this equation number 4. Now we have to solve this one and this one. The coefficient of y becomes equal. Now the coefficient of y are same and their sign are also same. So subtract equation 4 from 3. So subtract equation 4 from 3. So first write equation 3. This is 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,000. Here it is the equation 500 minus this fourth equation 3x plus this 3y is equal to 5700. Now simplify. You know, while subtracting we have to add and change the sign of second one. So here 35 minus 3 we get 32x. This 3y get cancelled, eliminated. Now 10,500 minus 5,700 we get 4800. Therefore x is equal to 4800 divided by 32. Now simplify. If we divide by 4, then 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 200. Now divide by 8, so we get x is equal to 8 1s are, then 8 5s are, and 0. So 150. So x is equal to 150 means distance traveled by bus. So final answer, distance traveled by bus is equal to 150 kilometer. So in this way we can solve that sums, all sums, statement sum. Here I show 4 sums from practice set 1.4. I hope you have understood all the sums. If you having any doubt, then write in the comment. I will solve more sums in next video and upload on YouTube. Dear students, I have already uploaded the videos on YouTube for first chapter, that is exercise 1.2, 1.3, practice set 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and now 1.5. So watch all the videos, and if you like that videos, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.